Hello class, today we're going to be working on determining the circumference and area of a circle. Let's start with a quick review. Today in class we defined circumference of a circle to be the distance around the circle. For all circles, let's recall that the ratio of the circumference to the diameter is the same. The ratio is known as pi. Okay, so the formula to find the circumference of a circle is C is equal to pi r, or C is equal to pi d, where d is the diameter and r is the radius of the circle. Note your circle right here. We're going to go across this way, and that's your diameter. And then up this way, this is your radius. Okay, so let's work some examples. Find the indicated measure. Find the circumference of a circle with 9 centimeters. So let's start with putting down our equation. We're going to say C is equal to 2 pi r. Then we're just going to fill in the blanks from here. We're going to say 2 pi, where r is 9. This equals 18 pi. From this point here, you can plug in your calculator. 18 times pi. The estimate you get here is 56.5. So we can say that the circumference is about 56.5 centimeters. Okay, so on our second problem, we're going to find the radius of a circle with a circumference of 26 meters. Once again, let's start with writing down our formula. C equals 2 pi r. Then we're just going to plug in what we're looking for. So we know the circumference is 26. And we know the rest of our formula is 2 pi, and we're looking for r. So to solve for r, we're going to divide by 2 pi here and do the same thing on this side. So once again, you can use your calculator to figure out 26 divided by 2 pi. That is approximately 4.14. So then the radius is about 4.14 meters. Okay? Okay, in our last example, we're going to use the circumference to find the distance traveled. So the diameter of our car tire are as followed. From the top of the tire to the top of the rim, which is this area right here, this is 5.5 inches. The actual rim area itself, right there, is 15 inches. And the bottom of the tire from here to here is the same, 5.5 inches. And they want us to find to the nearest foot how far the tire traveled when it makes 15 revolutions. So let's first by finding the diameter of our tire. So we know diameter is equal to 15, which is the rim, and then 5.5 twice, because we have to count for the bottom and the top. This is equal to 26 inches. Secondly, we're going to write our circumference formula. C is equal to pi d, and this is pi 26. So the answer to our circumference is approximately 81.68 inches. Okay, so next we're going to work on area. So the area of a circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. A equals pi r squared. So once again, we have this line here, which is our radius. And area is equal to pi r squared. So let's work some problems. The first problem, we're going to find the area of a circle whose radius is equal to 2.5 centimeters. So once again, let's start with writing our formula down. Area is equal to pi r squared. And then we're just going to fill in the blanks. Pi, our radius is 2.5 squared. Plug that in the calculator. You're going to have the area is equal to approximately 6.25 times pi. Put that part in the calculator, and you have area is equal to approximately 19.63. Okay. Our second example, we're going to find the diameter of a circle who's got an area is equal to 113.1 centimeters. So let's start with writing our formula down. Area is equal to pi r squared. Then fill in the blanks. Our area is 113.1 is equal to pi r squared. And we want to solve for the radius, so we're going to divide by pi. Divide by pi. You're going to use your calculator for this. And we come up with radius is approximately 6. So if we have the radius, now we can go find the circumference, the diameter. And the diameter is going to equal 12 centimeters. Now I'm going to give you a few problems to try at home and bring to class. So we're going to call these your take home and work on problems. Number 1, I want you to find the area of a circle. No, you've given the area of a circle to be 154 meters squared. Find the radius. Number 2, the area of a circle is 676 centimeters squared. I want you to find the diameter. And then on the following problems here, find what it's asking. Find the measurement. The radius for this problem is 5 inches, is what you're given. On B, the radius here is 16 feet. And on C, the diameter here is 23 centimeters. And you're going to find the area. Okay, class, work these problems and bring them in tomorrow. Have a good day.